Hello wonderful and lovely people, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be sharing with you how I made this delicious and healthy vegetable sauce. To my new and old subscribers, a very warm welcome to you. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, follow this page, like, share and comment for you to be the first to be notified whenever a new video is being uploaded. And let's get started. For this recipe, I'll be using hard chicken, properly cleaned. Pour into a clean pot or saucepan. Go ahead and season with some chopped onions, curry powder, dry basil leaf, season cubes, some salt to taste, soya sauce. Feel free to use any seasonings of your choice. Stir and cover the pot and let it cook on its own juice for at least 10 minutes. 10 minutes or so, check on the chicken, stir and top it up with some water. Cover and continue cooking until it is tender or well cooked. Next, we are checking on the chicken now. Add some habanero pepper, adjust to your taste. Top it up with some water to the level of the chicken in the pot or to your desired quantity. Add some cornstarch dissolved with water. This serves as thickener to the sauce. Add and stir. Feel free to add any vegetable of your choice. Here I added some mixed vegetables, mixed bell peppers, some cabbage. All my veggies are properly prepped and clean. Stir and mix until it is well combined. Now go ahead and cover the pot and cook for another 2 minutes. After 2 minutes now, stir and turn off the cooker. It is done and ready to be served. It is so inviting, tasty, tantalizing and delicious. Yeah, healthy as well. Enjoy with white rice or in whichever way you prefer yours. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you all for watching and see you in my next video. Remember, blessed. Bye.